Hey everyone, it's December 3rd. Got the morning market rundown here. Let's dive into it. So yesterday we achieved a new all-time high, getting closer and closer to that 1.618% Fibonacci extension. And we're just grinding higher and continuing to climb the wall of worry. So let's see what today brings. And the scenario that I'd be monitoring for today would be something like this potentially. So we could see here, let's get rid of all this and get rid of that. So we could see here that we found support at this recent VWAP, this handoff, actually this recent rejection, right? We found some support here. So, and we have found support at this recent low right up in here. So let's see if the SPY wants to continue to grind higher. Go into a smaller time frame here. See if the SPY wants to continue to grind higher right off this maybe 605. Come back and then retest that 600 area. Fill this gap 597 and then continue some upward push. It's a potential scenario over the next couple trading days, or maybe it wants to rally up to 605, reclaim the 604, 603, and get some continuation to keep grinding higher. So if this starts to break this 602 area, then we can monitor a quick little fast move down into the 600 and potentially this gap fill at 599, 598 could start to get some short sellers excited and get greedy on the break of 500. So that's a potential scenario for the SPY, watching that push to 605 and an upside continuation, monitoring the break of the 2-day VWAP at 603.49 for failure into the 3-day at 602.87. And then watch it for some consolidation between these 2 days, a rejection of today's VWAP for a multi-day VWAP reversal to fill this VP area down into the 600 level, and then potentially looking to see if we could get some bouncing. Ideally, you could see the key level is here at this 598.83. So let's get into the QQQ. And I don't know what happened to my drawings. They all got deleted from yesterday. But we talked about this leading up to this potential double top and then maybe getting some consolidation and profit taking to fuel some further continuation. Or maybe we just continue to grind higher as the SPY's been continuing to make all-time highs and the Qs just made a new all-time high yesterday. So a potential scenario that we'd be looking for today would be to see very similar to the SPY. See if we rally back up, break this 516 or pushed into 520. Or if we break this 514, consolidate under the 2-day VWAP, break the daily VWAP into 512, the 3-day, and then see some further downside down to this 506, 503 area. And we get this rising 5-day moving average. So maybe it wants to pull back into this, undercut it a little bit, and then get going again. And this previous level of resistance then act as support, and then we could potentially see something, maybe get some strength like that, and this 5-day moving average kind of continue to stay innocent until proven guilty. So these are the situations on the SPY and the QQQ, the morning market rundown. Monitor this 514.44 and this 512.33. You can see this VP node and this 3-day VWAP. So if we break the 2-day VWAP, maybe seeing that 3-day and then breaking that 3-day could give us that failure back down into this 506, which is that election VWAP, which you could see was acting as resistance, and now we got this reclaim of it where now it's breaking out and acting as, could potentially act as support. Have a good day.